Looking for the perfect Christmas gift that blends style, quality, and affordability? Today, we're counting down the top 5 watches under $1,000 that are guaranteed to impress. Our first watch is the Seiko Presage Cocktail Time, an elegant dress watch with a stunning sunburst dial that catches every angle of light. The 40.5mm stainless steel case sits perfectly on the wrist, paired with a soft leather strap that's comfortable for all-day wear. Powered by Seiko's automatic movement, it's reliable and precise, making it a practical yet luxurious choice. With a price around $425, this watch is perfect for festive dinners, formal occasions, or gifting someone who appreciates refined sophistication. Next is the Tissot Gentleman Powermatic 80, a versatile Swiss automatic watch designed for both office and weekend wear. Its 40mm stainless steel case and polished finish create a premium look without the hefty price tag. The dial is clean and minimalist with subtle date display, while the bracelet or leather strap adds elegance and comfort. With a power reserve of 80 hours, it's practical for everyday use and priced around $750. A thoughtful gift for anyone who appreciates Swiss craftsmanship. Number 3 is the Hamilton Khaki Field Mechanical, a rugged military-style watch perfect for adventurers. Its 38mm stainless steel case and simple dial design make it highly legible, while the hand-wound movement adds traditional charm. The canvas or leather strap is both durable and comfortable, ideal for daily wear or outdoor activities. At around $495, it's a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves functional, stylish watches that stand the test of time. Number 4 is a tech-forward option. The Citizen EcoDrive Satellite Wave GPS solar-powered and GPS synced. This watch automatically adjusts to the correct time wherever you are, making it perfect for travelers. The stainless steel case and bracelet exude luxury, while the dial features modern styling with sub-dials for multiple functions. Priced around $950, it's an impressive gift for anyone who loves cutting-edge technology and dependable performance. The Orient Star Classic Automatic is a true blend of elegance and tradition. Its 38.5mm polished stainless steel case houses a beautiful sunburst dial with applied markers and a small second sub-dial. The leather strap adds sophistication, making it perfect for office wear or holiday gatherings. With a Japanese automatic movement and a price around $475, this watch makes a refined gift without overspending.